I'm Julie Blanner from the lifestyle website julieblanner.com, where I share effortless ideas for entertaining, design, home decor, and so much more. Today I'm sharing with you some of my very favorite simple fixes you can do to update your home. No matter how little or how much you want to spend, these ideas will give you maximum transformation. You know that one of my favorite things to do is paint. It's easy and inexpensive. Well, as long as you have your husband doing it. I've linked to all my favorite cream paint colors below, but this here at the Lake Cottage is Faro and Ball White Tie. It's a warm, creamy color that's suitable for naturally lit spaces, and I think you'll love it as well. But painting your home is one of the easiest fixes you can do. But before you do that, one of the things that we've done in our last few homes that I think has made a big difference and made an old home feel really new and fresh is changing outlets and the outlet covers. Here they were almond in color, but often you'll find that they are mismatched. The outlets don't match the plate, or the plates don't match one another from one room to another, and it's another easy and inexpensive thing you can do to really make your home feel fresh, whether you do it yourself or have someone else do it. Here we just use the plastic 30-something cent light switch plates from the hardware store, and it gave us a nice clean slate. Another thing that you can do that not only adds so much to your home, but also adds to the value, because it's one of the few things that stay behind when you move, is update your lighting. A light fixture is really easy to change, and it is a quick and easy way to update your home. We use lots of light fixtures, high and low, in both of our homes, and one great low example is turning a basket into a light fixture on our patio outdoors in St. Louis, and using a light kit. And in the guest bedroom here at the Lake Cottage, we used a drum shade and a $15 light kit, I think for a total of like $30-ish for a light fixture in that space, and an IKEA pendant in our master bedroom here at the Lake Cottage, which gave a lot of impact because it's significant in size and that room is vaulted, but it was only $65 including the light kit. So that's one inexpensive way you can update a light fixture. There are lots of great light fixtures out there though. And then I always like to splurge in my light fixtures, especially when it comes to natural materials like raw brass and copper. You can shop all of our lighting in my shop here. I'll link to it below. Lighting is a great way to really update a space, especially when it's attached to a ceiling, but you can also integrate a lot of task lighting, bedside lamps that overlook your sofa, etc. Another way that you can really transform a space is through your flooring. Now this one involves a lot more effort, but it is very rewarding. Here at the Lake Cottage, we replaced the dated carpet with some really modern pattern carpet that's Stainmaster, so it's very effortless and taken care of. At our home in St. Louis, we replaced all the floors with hardwood. Again, that way it made it easy to maintain, and it helps keep the eye flowing, which makes a room appear larger than it is. But we've also used everything from peel and stick, which I'll link to below. That was amazing at our previous home, to blank vinyl in our basement in St. Louis. And you can even update a space using a stair runner. I think we did that for about $300. So there's a lot of ways that you can do it. Some easy weekend projects, some a little more labor intensive, not quite as cost effective, but that's a really great way to make a big impact. Another thing you can do is add light to a space. Now we talked about how you do that using, of course, new light fixtures, but you can also do that again through paint. Look for a paint with a high LRV, that's light reflective value. That will show you which paint is going to pick up that sun or pick up your light from your light fixture and reflect it back to you, again making a room appear brighter and larger. Another way you can add light to a space is by integrating mirrors. Mirrors, again, reflect light and can make it appear larger. Another quick and easy thing that you can do to make a home feel fresh is replace all of your vents. I know, again, a lot of times they become really beat up, discolored, miscolored. Seems like every home we purchased, they've been in a tan, brownish color. So replace them all to white, and that will give you a fresh start. And finally, one of my favorite ways to update a home is through hardware. Whether you're just updating hardware in your kitchen and your cabinets, or all throughout your house using new faucets or doorknobs, it's an easy fix, usually inexpensive, although you can also opt for one of my pricier brass options, and really transforms a space with pretty nominal effort, especially if you're doing kitchen cabinets. A lot of my kitchen cabinet knobs are just a couple of dollars a piece. I think my pools were only $6, and again, they're unlacquered brass, so you can't beat that. And they really, really make the most of a kitchen, and they make the biggest impact for very little effort. You can change out all your kitchen hardware in less than an hour. I hope you enjoyed these easy updates for your home, and come back and see me again soon. Don't forget to click subscribe for more easy ideas for entertaining, home decor, and so much more that celebrates everyday life. I look forward to seeing you again soon.